Hey YouTube, welcome back to my very wonderful professional looking set, aka the table at the entryway to my house. Today we are going to be unboxing the Azden SMX-30 stereo mono switchable microphone. Right before we get into it, I have no precursor to what I'm about to do, whatever, so just subscribe and give a big thumbs up and add it to your favorites and all that if you like the video, which you better considering the time I'm putting into it. Before anything, we have this. I guess you want to call it a Deadcat. But this one's not called Deadcat, even though it kind of looks like one. Don't ask me how I know. Ooh, it's really, really soft. Look at this. I like want to cuddle with this tonight.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
Now, we're not here for the Deadcat. We are here for this bad boy, the star of the show. Now, what's special about this microphone is that it actually has a mono and stereo mic, as you can see right here. You can switch between the two. Now, you can't record both at once, which is unfortunate. The whole reason why I got this microphone was because first off, it's very similar in pricing to the Rode VideoMic Pro. But what this one has, it has a stereo and mono, and I actually really like the open sound this one has compared to the Rode. If you guys would like, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely do an audio test of how this sounds. Here's just another look around at the box. There we go. Here's a better look of all the features. You can just go ahead and pause if you want to see it. Focus, please. It's not focusing, but whatever. You can see it has a 20 dB gain boost, low cut filter, and a bunch of other good stuff. Let's just go ahead and open this up. I won't lie and say I wasn't hesitant at all about this just because I've never heard of Azden really before I really started doing research on microphones. So I know that Rode's like the more well-known brand, so I almost got the Rode, but I just figured I'd give this one a shot. So go like this. It is very neatly packed. We have our Azden handcrafted in Japan sticker that's going straight onto my laptop. We have the manual that I will probably never, ever read, but always good to have because, you know, you never know. Oh wait, it's one of these folding. Oh, interesting. Okay, get over there. Okay. And what I love is that they include this little carrying pouch. It's not even like a cheap one. It's like real. It's a real leather carrying pouch for the microphone. Little drawstring carrying pouch. It feels very high quality, very thick. It's padded on the inside. Make a little sock puppet out of it if you want to. I don't know. Some people have their things. Sticker just fell. It's okay. And here, finally, we have our microphone. I'm just gonna twist this down so it makes it easier to pull out. There we go. So here's the actual microphone itself. It's relatively small, surprisingly. Like, it's about the size of the Rode VideoMic Pro, or maybe the Pro Plus. If you look on the back, you can see we have a cable that does not detach. Here's a look at all the features, if my camera will focus, which I don't think it will. There, okay, that's good enough, okay. Right here, you have off, battery, which means it's using the battery, and auto, so automatically turn on and off when you use it with your camera, and the camera's going to autofocus again. Whatever, I'm just gonna try my best right here. You have your low pass filter and regular right here. You have your decibel input right here, and stereo versus mono. And then if you go, oh my God, okay. Also right here is your little battery door. It takes 2 AA batteries, I believe. It doesn't send any. And then this comes off right here. Come on. Yay, there we go. I always feel weird taking these off. I think it's not kosher or whatever. You probably can't see very well, but those are your 2 stereo mics right there, your right and your left. They're in a Y formation. And then this is your mono mic right here. And then we put on Deadcat like this. There we go, I think I did this correctly. There's this thing right here, like a little strap right here. Does it go all the way around? I can't tell. That looks about right.
Nope.
I hope. Aha, there we go. That looks about right.
Nope.
Nice and furry, like a dead cat. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, because I never have any ideas, which is partly why I never post. I also just got my wisdom teeth out and stuff, so that's also why I haven't been posting. Sorry, no vlog for that. I'll see you guys in the next video, and again, give a thumbs up or I will find you. Bye!